In today's video, I will walk you through how to change beginning balance QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. First, select the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. Once the Chart of Accounts is open, locate the specific asset account for which you want to change the beginning balance. Next, find the View Register option next to that account and select it. This will open the account register, where you can view the transactions for that account. In the register, locate the initial transaction or amount that represents the beginning balance for the account. Once you find the beginning balance amount, select it. This will open a field where you can make the necessary change. Enter the correct amount for the beginning balance. Review the amount to make sure it reflects the balance you want to use. Once the correct amount has been entered, save your changes. The register will then update to reflect the new beginning balance. That completes the process of changing the beginning balance in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.